Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SE38. Today we are again back with an interesting topic. Sorry for the delay in videos, I got down with COVID, so this delay. Everyone be safe, COVID is still there. Be safe and keep your family safe. Today we'll talk about binary search. Everyone, majority of the ABAPers who do backend coding are very much happy to use the binary search. I guess you like it just because it helps the read statement to execute faster. And we usually use this all the way. Whenever it's possible, we need a read, we use binary search. So, why binary search is not something that we should keep on using it as much as possible? We should reduce it. I'll explain in this video why we shouldn't use binary search much. Let me talk about ABAP. It's kind of reverse compatible language. That means whatever got released in level 1 or version 1 is still applicable in version 700. That means if you know the coding for 1, you don't need to go to 700 much. If you know the basics, it will work. But it's always possible a customer who's working or executing their business in SAP is still in older versions. They're in maybe 1999 or some older versions that they do well. They have no problem. They don't need to go up. They don't need to learn new things. I'll show this example. Binary search as reverse compatible problem. Consider you have a very old system where you do normal read statements. When the binary search was invented, it was very faster for a read statement. It's very useful when you read something from a sorted table. By doing binary search, it saves the time complexity a lot. But now we are in the database driven programming mode. We have the push down effect. Everything is going to databases, reducing the application level stress. Now what happens is, if you do binary search or if you do read table with binary search, it doesn't help you much because we have more faster things in our hand. As you will see, a lot of code have binary search. What you can do is, to reduce the binary search effect, you just need to declare it sorted or hash table. That will automatically sort it. You don't need to do additional binary search thing. It will automatically do the searching faster as it's already sorted. You don't need to bother about the additional effort. Now in this generation, a lot of binary search can be reduced, and by using the different kind of tables, you don't need to do anything else. Is the easiest. Or maybe select statement, select single read, that's also there. Now we have multiple tools. So this is the suggestion from the person who invented or who started using binary search in ABAP, that we can reduce it as much as possible. So that was the information, guys. Hope you like it. If you like, you can subscribe our channel. I'll make more content like this. See you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.